Hello Longaberger, it's Kristine Zell here. I'm an Elle Daily host, a shopper, lover of all things Longaberger, a stylist. So this is a space where we come to you each and every day, the Elle Daily, with some inspirational content using our favorite products that you may already have, or watching this video, you'll be adding to cart, so welcome on in. Every day we have a different theme to keep things organized and flowing, and you can know what to expect. So here on Mondays, it's called Motivation Mondays. When we start a new week, sometimes we just don't know where to begin. The to-do list is long, there's a lot on your plate, so let's break things down and help you get organized, save time, save space, and create more space for the things that really matter. So I thought I would pop on here today just to share with you where I'm at when it comes to my home and inspire you in a way that maybe you could do this today as it's Monday, starting off the new week right. Okay, so here's the deal. Motivation Mondays. We're getting motivated. We're picking a space that needs a little TLC, little tender loving care. I have 2 kids, so let me just preface this by saying my house is a lot of times looking like a bomb went off. And if you're a mom or a grandma, Mimi, you know this. Okay, so you work so hard to clean the house, get things nice and tidy, and then by the end of the day, you look around and it's like, what is going on? There is stuff everywhere. So I've really been paying attention to this minimalist lifestyle. So that's taking products that you love, keeping those, and then decluttering the rest. And it takes a lot of time. So I've been going space by space throughout my house. The closet, the junk drawer. So this is something that I've been doing the last couple of weeks since the kids started school, because there's something about a new school year that seems to be like a new year altogether. For me, there's 2 New Years. It's when the kids go back to school and of course, January 1st. So I'm in this phase of, it feels like I'm getting a new chapter, new life to this year, and really wanting to get things done that I have been putting on the back burner and haven't done all summer long. So one of those things was my kitchen drawers. You would open my kitchen drawer and I kid you not, it was full to the brim. You'd have to like tuck things down to shut it. The kids, I'd ask them for a utensil because I'm really big into having them help me in the kitchen. And they're like, Mom, we can't find it. I don't know what you're talking about. And I'm like, I know it's in there. So the space that I wanted to talk to you about today on this Motivation Monday is the junk drawer. And I'm gonna tell you how I organize my junk drawer using this 1973 basket, one of my favorite baskets from Longaberger. And here's the reason why. I love that 1973 collection. You have that gold commemorative tag on there, just really beautiful, true authentic Longaberger, all the way through and through, from that tag to the nail heads that go all the way around, that hand woven basket. The artisans in Dresden, Ohio always do such a flawless job. Look at that care. I'm just gonna take this out. On the back side, you can see it's signed, dated, and you have that stamp of authenticity there at the bottom. This basket, I chose to go with the multi because I love that you get the pop of the warm brown and the lighter browns, the pewter. But there's a few other colors. If you do want to add to cart, you can shop this video. If you're here at longaberger.com, shop this video. If you're on Facebook, let us know, do you have this basket? Have you been eyeing it? Maybe you're thinking about it. Let us know how you are organizing and maybe some things that you have on the menu of what you have to do this week. We would love to hear how you are keeping things tidy at your house using your Longaberger baskets, as we're focusing on organization today. So let me go through your options real quick. If you are eyeing this basket, it comes in a beautiful warm brown. So think more of this color tone. It also comes in a multi, as you see here, all those great colors. Love this multi one. Also in a brand new colorway that we have, sand dune. So think beachy tones, really lovely neutrals, gorgeous. That is, oh, stunning. I love that one. Then we also have the white, and then it did come in an all pewter, but that has already sold out. So I'm just telling you right now, if this is one that you're thinking of, you might want to add to cart and check out when the video ends. Now this basket comes with a free protector. I love this basket for serving bread. Obviously it is the 1973 bread basket. So it's that nice low profile. If it's sitting out at the table and you do fill it with rolls, or you're having ladies over for coffee or brunch, croissants in here. but I actually use this basket for styling. I love it if you want to hand roll some towels in here in a bathroom. This is fantastic. I have on top of this cabinet right here, actually, there's glass at the top. So I have that open shelf concept at the top of my cabinets. So I have this in that cabinet on display because I like to line my kitchen with my Longaberger baskets. They're always ready for serving, but a great styling piece for when I'm not using it. So as I'm using this as a styling basket right now, I decided to take out that free plastic protector that it comes with, because there is a plastic protector that comes with this basket, which is a great add-on and a bonus. So if you are serving food, if you're lining it with wax pillar candles in here, you have that protection of that plastic protector. So here's the deal with your baskets. The ones that come with those plastic protectors, as you're using them for styling, take those out because they become such great organizational pieces. Like I'll show you the junk drawer. This is my kitchen junk drawer. I mentioned earlier I could barely shut it the other day and it was just a mess. It was a piled heap of stuff. And to be honest with you, it kind of deterred me from cooking in the kitchen because most of my utensils are here and it was so stressful to even go in here. So I took everything out this morning, all of it. It all came out. I wiped down the bottom of the drawer. It was full of crumbs and even hair, and I found an old bug in there. Oh. So definitely suggest taking it all out, wiping down the inside, and then taking stock of what you have. So for instance, I realized I had 2 ice cream scoopers. We don't even really eat that much ice cream, so I took one of them out and I'll donate, or maybe I'll just keep it tucked away in the pantry at the bottom if something ever happens to this one. I had 2 peelers and I had 2 pizza cutters. Okay, we really don't eat that much pizza either, and this is my favorite one, so I put the little tiny puny one at the bottom of another drawer that I don't use. So maybe you have duplicates of something you could think about donating. You could think about maybe there's a gal down the street that you know her daughter has just left for college. Maybe she could use a couple of things. Okay, so that felt really good. I had random cookie cutters in here too that I have never used. We don't bake a whole lot of cookies. We do like to do more breads, banana breads and stuff like that, but I thought I'll keep the cookie cutters. I put them in a little Ziploc baggie and again, put them in the pantry, tucked away in a place that should we need them, we have them, but they're not thrown in with the rest of the stuff. It was just so miscellaneous and unpurposeful. So what I did after I took everything out and organized what I still want to use, I took the pieces that I use pretty much every day. My peeler, we got the ice cream scooper at the ready, the pizza cutter, little muddler, masher, and then I have here, of course, can opener, garlic press, and my apple cutter. So these are really the utensils I use a lot of, but here is that plastic protector that I wanted to show you that comes free with your basket. Love it. So the size of this bread basket is such a nice low profile, and the width of this is perfect. Slide it into the desk drawer, the junk drawer that maybe has the pens and the pencils and the notebooks, or here in the kitchen, because when this gets dirty, I can rinse it off and it's good as new. And when it comes to serving, I can pop it back in my basket and I'm good to go. So I'm gonna lay everything back in here. So that was really gonna be number 1. Put that in, put my favorite pieces that I use most of the time in there. And then I went from there, actually, I do use my melon baller a lot too. But I have my presses for my lemons, my limes, my avocado saver, and then I have my measuring cups here in the back of my measuring spoons. You guys, it feels so good to have a clean kitchen drawer that actually shuts without being forced, that looks presentable when I open it. I can see everything here. Can you see that okay? Look at this plastic protector from Longaberger, repurposed. So this is the space where we show you new and innovative ways to use the products that may already be sitting on your shelf, or if you're brand new to Longaberger, you're thinking, where do I start? Try a basket that has that free protector and try splitting them up. This could be actually in the pantry or in a cabinet for your essential oils. This could also house your supplements and different vitamins or pills that you're taking. This could be something that you organize that way. So many different uses. And then you have this gorgeous basket that of course is a focal piece, but using that plastic protector in a new way. Drop us a line if you're on Facebook. Let us know if you use your plastic protectors as organizers. If you like to separate your protectors from your baskets, do you always keep them together? This is a place where we love to inspire you, but also have a conversation about how you are using your products. Speaking of, if you want to be an Elle Daily host right here and share ways that you are using your favorite Longaberger products, if you go to longaberger.com, maybe you're already watching the Elle Daily right here on the website, scroll down to the bottom of our Elle Daily library and you will see an application. Submit your idea and you could be right here. Join my friends Jackie Stafford, Lisa Mason, and myself. I'm Kristine Zell. We would love to see you as an Elle Daily host. And if you're a stylist, use these videos to share with your clients and your customers and your friends and your family, inspiring each other as we're growing our businesses at home, because your success is our success. Have a great week, friends. We will see you back here at noon Eastern with a brand new Elle Daily each and every day. Take care.